4445 Kingsport Road in Little River is a direct 2-bedroom, 2 full bath waterway condo being offered at an incredible price. So close to the water, you'll feel like you can touch one of the many boats and jet skis flying by. Completely remodeled in a style you'll love, every detail has been done to perfection. Smooth ceilings, all new doors, plantation shutters, custom crown molding, and gorgeous vintage laminate flooring enhance the beauty of this immaculate unit. The kitchen features new cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops and accented backsplash. Convenient to the best the Little River Waterfront has to offer, such as restaurants, boat charters, and shopping, yet completely hidden away from the main streets. Kingsport offers a pool, elevators, a marina with storage, and spectacular waterway views. With rare availability at this tranquil and scenic location, this unit will not last long. Call for your appointment now.